welcome back to week 3 of descriptive astronomy. This week it's about light and telescopes. The light section has a few equations. They're not real complicated, just basic algebra, if even that. And pay particular attention to the electromagnetic spectrum for the radiation types of waves. And we're also in the telescopes. You know, they'll talk about the two types that we use, the reflector and the refractor, but also the radio telescopes, space telescopes, and so forth. So I think you'll find it interesting. Again, if you're math challenged, this will be the one chapter that you'll have a little bit, but I will not stress on it much at all. Okay, so chapter 2 in your textbook, and then do active exploration. I strongly recommend as you read each section of the book, you flip to that and see what little simulations or little functions that they have for you to help you better understand that chapter. There's a question of the week, number 2. Now again, to get full credit, you need to post something, but then you also have to reply twice to the person right before you and the person right after you. You know, so you won't get the full credit if you just post once. You'll get some, but not all of it. All right, and then there's quiz number 2, covering chapter 2. And you can take it as many times as you want. Only your highest score will count. So don't hesitate to take it, half a dozen times or more. Some people just do that for a review, and that's perfectly fine. Don't forget, starting next week, you're going to need your video. This is what it looks like. Okay, they're available online, not at the bookstore. You have to get it somewhere else. You can download some of the actual episodes are available online, but I have not found them all. I haven't found the whole collection. You can download them from iTunes if you so desire, or you can just order it from a company. But you really need to start to get those, and they'll be matched up with each of the chapters. Be sure that you've looked at your STAR project and sort of have a plan for that. It's not due for another 4 weeks or so, but you don't want to wait till the last minute. But especially your lunar observation project, you really should have started, or at least have mapped out a game plan, so you know where you're going to get your data and how you're going to go. And it's okay if you have a couple nights that it's cloudy and you can't see the moon, just so long as that you've tried it for the whole month-long period, about every other day, and record your observations. You still can record a lot of stuff even if you can't physically see the moon. Although we have been able to see it. You have to time it right, because sometimes you have to look during the daytime. Sometimes it's in the morning, sometimes it's in the evening, sometimes in the afternoon. So you need to map that out so you know what to do. And after a while, you'll get so good at this, you'll walk out and know exactly where to look in the sky for the moon. And then you know you're finally getting it. So as always, if you're having any troubles, and most of you are doing this, email me, or you can even call my office if you like and leave a voicemail. But let me know if you're having trouble or problems, and I'll do my best to help you. Otherwise, have a great week. Goodbye.